Being on blood thinners can save your life, and thinning skin as you age is a fact of life. But if you cut or tear your skin, you can bleed for hours, sometimes days. Well, now you can stop bleeding instantly with Wound Seal, the fast, safe, and easy way to stop bleeding instantly. Previously only available in hospitals and to medical professionals, Wound Seal is guaranteed and clinically proven to work. Wound Seal stops bleeding instantly, allowing you to keep enjoying the activities you love.
Before Wound Seal, if I'd get a cut in my arm, the blood would be flowing so much that I wouldn't even be able to go in my workshop and do my job. But now, thanks to Wound Seal, I put that on there, I can go back to work immediately, and everything is wonderful.
It's a miracle. Wound Seal is the only thing that stops the bleeding when I get cut. Nothing else works.
When you get put on blood thinners, you really worry about getting cut. Wound Seal stops the bleeding, so you can stop worrying.
Wound Seal is a topical powder that is so easy to use. Simply pour Wound Seal on the wound, apply light pressure, and within seconds, the bleeding is stopped.
If I happen to bump something just wrong, I can scrape my skin enough to start bleeding. But now that I've got Wound Seal, I can apply it. A few seconds later, I'm on my way. I don't have to worry about it.
We use Wound Seal every day with our patients. That's how much we trust this product.
Remember, if you take blood thinners, are over the age of 55, even if you take just one aspirin a day, you can't afford not to have Wound Seal in your home, car, purse, or anywhere. Wound Seal is guaranteed to work. Call or go online right now and get Wound Seal. Plus, we'll include 2 free Go-Pack travel cases for your car, purse, or anywhere. Get Wound Seal and stop worrying about bleeding once and for all. Call now.